Hi guys, here we are back at the Mini R53 fuel door. As in my previous video, this top pin, plastic pin here, had popped out. This is for the hinge. If you look closely, I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to see here, but this is what the pin should look like. See, it's got that other tab on the other side so that when it inserts through the hole and gets to the right position, that pops out and stops it from coming back out. If you notice on the other side, it's broken off. So what I've done, I'm not sure how long this is going to last, but I've actually drilled a hole into the plastic, the remaining part, and I've found a tiny screw here that I've screwed down into the hole, and hopefully that'll prevent it from coming back out of the hole again. So that's just a modification that you guys can do if you wish. I'm not sure if you can buy these replacement pins or whether you have to buy the whole assembly, but that's something that you would be able to get 3D printed, no doubt. If you got this other pin, pulled it out and used that as your reference for your new 3D printed pin, that's an option as well. Hope the video helped you guys, and thanks for watching.